Welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we will solve exercise 4.2 problem 1 of class 10th. So, our problem 1 has 5 sub problems. So, we will begin with our first question. The first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So, how can we factorize it so that we can factor it into two parts? So, first we see that x square multiplied by minus 10. This will give us minus 10x square. So, we need to factorize this such that the sum or subtraction should give us minus 3x. So, if we do minus 5x plus 2x, this will give us minus 3x. So what I have done here is I have factorized minus 10x square as minus 5x and 2x. So if you multiply this, you will get minus 10x square, and addition of this gives us minus 3x. So we factorize minus 3x as minus 5x plus 2x. So we can write it as x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. Now we can take x common from this and 2 common from this. So this will be x minus 5 plus 2 x minus 5. This is equals to 0. Now you can take x minus 5 common. So we have here x minus 5 times x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have that x minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. So our roots are x equals to 5 or minus 2. Hope you all got this first question. Now let us see our second question. Let us see our second question. Our second question is 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Now we multiply this a and c, we get 12x square. Now how do we split this 12x square such that we get x? The factorization of this is either 2 cross 6 or 3 cross 4. So what we can do is that we can do 4x minus 3x. So this will give us the value x. So we write here as 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. We take 2x common from this, so we are left with x plus 2, and we take minus 3 from this, so we are left with x plus 2 equals to 0. So now we have 2x minus 3 times x plus 2 equals to 0. So either 2x minus 3 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. So x is either 3 by 2 or minus 2. So the roots are 3 by 2 and minus 2. Now let us see our third question. It is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Now first we will multiply a and c, that is 5 root 2 times root 2 x square. So this is 5 into 2 x square. This is 10x square. Now how can we split this so that we get 7x? We can split it as 5x plus 2x. So we write it as root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. So we can take root 2x common from this. So root 2x. So this will be x plus root 2 plus 5 times x plus root 2 equals to 0. So now we have root 2x plus 5 times x plus root 2 equals to 0. So root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, or x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So x will be equals to minus 5 by root 2 or minus root 2. So that is our answer. Now let us see our fourth question. Our fourth question is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. Now we have to multiply this a and c. So it will be 2x square multiplied by 1 by 8. So this will be nothing but x square by 4. Now how do we split it such that we get this minus x? So 1 by 4 we can split as 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. We should know that to get 1 by 4 we can even get minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So if we do minus 1 by 2x and minus 1 by 2x, adding these two will get us minus x. So we can write it as 2x square minus half x minus half x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. Now we can take this x and 2 common from here. Now what we can do is we can take x and 2 common from here. So it will be 2x, x minus, we will be remaining with 1 by 4. We have taken 2 from this half also, so it will be 1 by 4. Now again you can take minus 1 by 2 x from here, minus, so it will be just minus 1 by 2. So in the inner portion it will be x minus 1 by 4 equals to 0. So we are remaining with 2x minus half multiplied by x minus 1 by 4. This is equals to 0. So either 2x minus half is equals to 0 or x minus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. So here we get x equal to 1 by 4 and x equals to 1 by 4. So it has two roots, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. That is, both the roots are same. Now let us see our last question. Our last question is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equals to 0. So we have to multiply this a and this c. So it will be 100x square only. Now how do we split it so that we get minus 20x? So we can split it as minus 10x and minus 10x. So minus 10x multiplied by minus 10x will give us 100x square, and minus 10x addition to minus 10x will give us minus 20x. So we can split it as minus 10x and minus 10x. Now we write it as 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equals to 0. We can take 10x common from this term. So we are remain with 10x. This will be 10x minus 1 minus 1 times 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So this will be 10x minus 1 times 10x minus 1 equals to 0. We see here that the roots are also same here. So x will be 1 by 10. So our both the roots will be 1 by 10. In our upcoming video, we will solve more of the questions. So that is all in this lecture. Thank you for watching.